What a great family car we have here, one that we previously supplied, Skoda Rapide TSI SE Automatic. This is a DSG 7-speed automatic. What a gorgeous colour, maroon metallic it is. Great car with just 21,000 miles. That's what it's done, 21,000 miles. It's 2014 on a 63 plate, January 2014. What an amazing car. Very spacious. Let's take you all the way around it. Very underrated car. 1.4 engine with 120 brake horsepower, so very lively engine. Just look at that colour. Absolutely love the colour, especially when the sunshine just catches it there. It is gorgeous. Massive boot. Look at that, absolutely huge boot on that. Split folding rear seats. Even more storage under there. Comes with a full size spare wheel, brand new. The vehicle also has a detachable tow bar. All the loading area nice and clean. That's where the detachable tow bar fits. Again, just look at that colour, absolutely gorgeous. All down the sides, the bodywork is absolutely beautiful. No major dents, scratches or scuffs all the way down there. All the wheels in very good condition, just the odd mark on the odd one, but again no major damage at all. Just tiny little mark on that front wheel there, but all the tyres in great condition. All the bodywork across the front, lovely and clean. All across the front. And that's why we do the videos, to show you exactly how nice our cars are. Nothing is left to chance, so you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair. Matching Dunlop tyres all the way around. And again, just to find the wheel. Lovely and clean on the inside. A non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Just look at the legroom there. Great space in there. It really is a very spacious car. Great comfort. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, the door entry, all the upholstery in great condition. No rips, tears or burns anywhere. And look at the mileage, just 21,415, just 21,415, 7 service stamps in the book. Remember, it's 2014 car, so incredibly low mileage and fabulous condition all round. Stereo CD. Air conditioning. USB aux input. Of course the DSG gearbox. For the gear lever across, you can drive it like a manual. Bit more control if you like, or just literally put it in drive and let it do its own thing. Cruise control. So there we have it, our beautiful Skoda Rapide 1.4 TSI DSG SE with just 21,000 miles. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. As I mentioned, we did the videos to show exactly how nice all our cars are, giving you the confidence to buy this car or reserve it and come and see the car or collect. You can reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described when you come to see it, to pick it up, we'll refund you the money, no questions asked. Ask about home delivery. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. No pressure sales. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.